Welcome guys, so today I am with the Huawei Y70 and I'm going to show you 5 camera tips for this smartphone. So when you are in the camera application, we can adjust the brightness level on our preview. We can make it in the photo mode, in the video mode, and also for example in the portrait mode. So how to make it? You have to just tap on the screen and then move this sun icon to decrease or increase currently brightness level. It works very easy. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. So that was the first tip. Another one will be about the zoom feature. So as you can see, we can find here ultra wide lens and the normal lens. When you click and hold on already selected preset, you will get the slider. And with the slider, you can zoom in to the 6 times. That's the maximum zoom range in this device. It also works with this gesture, so we can just pinch the screen like that. And that's the quality of the zoom. Actually, it's not bad. Okay, and another tip will be about the volume buttons that you can find right here. So we can also use them as a shutter. When you click once on the volume up or volume down, you can just take photos. As you can see, that's how it works. When you click in this place, you will get few camera filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. If you want to take photo, for example with this one, just select and then click on the shutter. If you want to go back for the original look of your photos, just go right here and select the first one. Right now we can simply go for the settings, because right here we can find the audio control. So this option allows us to take photo basically without touching the screen. So we can select the keyword, it's cheese, or we can speak loudly. Let's try the first option, cheese. As you can see, it works. Let's try with the portrait mode, cheese, cheese, cheese. Okay, right now it works for the third time. And yeah, the last tip will be also in the settings. So I can recommend you to scroll down, and right here we can find the video resolution. As you can see, we can record in the full HD, and as default is set up to the 30 frames per second. But if you want to get 60, just select like that, and right now your videos will look definitely better. So yeah, that's all my 5 camera tips for the Huawei Y70. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.